Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a refreshing Italian smooch mocktail like a pro. This super refreshing summer mocktail is beautifully concocted with fresh lemon, mint leaves, brown sugar, citrus juice, and cola. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's start and jump in. Take an old-fashioned glass of about 380 milliliters or 13 ounces. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now take a whole lemon, and cut into small chunks. After lemon, add 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves. Now slowly muddle all 3 ingredients. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Perfect. Now fill up the glass with lots of crushed ice. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Now top up the glass with chilled Coke. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe, and if you have any suggestions or queries, please feel free to contact me. I will be happy to hear from you. Now take a bar spoon and slowly stir all the ingredients. I will be happy if you make this refreshing summer mocktail for your family and friends, and share their experience with me. Now add little crushed ice on the top for better appearance. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Okay, let's garnish the mocktail with a few lemon chunks and a mint sprig. And the refreshing Italian Smooch Mocktail is now ready for you. Cheers! Have a great weekend! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.